Roman, say hi, Roman. Hi. We go in bonfire. Your light, your phone. The light camera. We go bonfire with Stevie and Roman. Bonfire. Supposed to be they have a lot of woods in the carport. Ah, they have a big one, ah. Still good. Ay, is ano now? Look at that, guys. Bonfire night. Oh, no bugs now because of the smoke. There's more.
Set it up there. There's a spot where you can put the bottom and then keep it up.
Baby girl, you grilled there. You grilled there.
Good eye.
Lola, lola. Careful, your eyes. It's noise, huh? What is that, huh?
Cicadas.
Huh?
Cicadas.
Crickets?
They're kind of like beetles.
Oh.
They make those noises with their wings
Oh, really?
and their mouths. Every like 7 years. You didn't get these last year, right?
Huh?
Last year you didn't hear
They have every year.
some?
Every night. Even in the other house. Yeah, in the backyard. Oh my gosh. Oh, some is frog. Frog.
Yep. Cicadas. Likewise.
Baby girl. I need one more. I forgot to fix this afternoon because my lights there. I have lights there in the fish pond like this.
Oh,
I don't know. I think I did not connected.
those flames look good. They get good sun during the day.
Yeah.
They look really good.
I think if I clean all over there, I think I need a little bit space to make full. You know? That's temporary only. Because I did not finish mower over there
Yeah.
by the...
It's good for the animals at night though,
Oh, yeah.
to not have the light go to the dark spots.
Mm-hmm. And I put there lights like this, oh. I think one in the middle over there and one here.
Because the catfish like it dark.
Huh?
The catfish like it at night.
In the dark.
No lights.
They don't like the lights?